Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing the lung capacity lab using vernier probes and also Lager probe. So what you're going to be doing in today's lab is you're going to be working in pairs. So you'll have one respiratory therapist and the other person's going to be a patient. So you want to introduce yourself as your respiratory therapist, like, hi, my name is Steve Johnson. I'll be your respiratory therapist. Please have a seat. So have him sit down. And you're going to explain like how the instruments work, okay? But before that, let me actually show you how everything's connected. So this is the spirometer, okay? So this is going to be connected to channel 1 of the LabQuest Mini, and LabQuest Mini is going to be connected to the laptop, okay? So once that's connected, you want to make sure you turn on Lager probe, okay, which should be on your desktop. And once it loads up, you want to go to File, Open, and you want to scroll down to where it says Human Physiology with Vernier. Open that folder, and then you want to scroll down to File 19, which is lung volumes, and then open that. Okay, and it's going to look like this basically. So before you actually start, you want to make sure that you put on everything you need. So this is a bacterial filter. You notice that I put my initials on it because we'll be using it for another lab, so make sure you do that also. This is the mouthpiece, and these are the nose clips. Okay, so the way that you set it up, see how it says inlet right here? You're going to put the large diameter side of the bacterial filter over this. The other side does not fit, so there's no way you can really make a mistake. So you want to put the bacterial filter on the inlet, okay? Then the mouthpiece over there, and then now you have a nice instrument right here. The bacterial filter captures all the bacteria and viruses a person has, so that way, if you can just take this off, and then you guys could switch roles, and your partner could put on their mouthpiece and bacterial filter, and you'll be ready to go. Okay, so what you first want to do is you want to calibrate your spirometer, and to do that, you want to hold it up straight like this, elbows against the table, straight up and down. And there's a 0 button right next to the collect button right here. You want to press it to 0 the flow rate. It takes a while, so we'll go to 0. And what you want your patient to do is you want them to, because you'll be determining their things like vital capacity, their IRV, and their tidal volume, okay, and establishing a baseline for, like, let's say if they're having like an asthma attack, if you establish a baseline, then you compare it to like how bad their asthma is, like in a certain type of day. Okay, so first thing you want to do is ready yourself. You're gonna put your mouth over the mouthpiece and then make a tight seal, and you want to breathe in and out through your mouth. So you want to do 4 normal inhale, exhales, and then after the 4th exhale, you want to inhale as much as possible and then exhale as much as possible, and then do 2 more normal inhale, exhales. Okay, and to make sure that you're not breathing through your nose, you want to put this on your nose. You might sound a little funny, but that's part of the lab. So we're gonna go ahead and start. First, press collect. Wait till it says waiting for trigger or data, and then put your mouth over it. Press stop, and then this should give you your flow rate versus time. Okay, and if you want to see your baseline, you can click the next arrow right there. It says next page, the red arrow. Click it, and you can see a different chart that shows your lung volume measurements and your flow rate. Okay, and that's about it. Once you copy down the graphs onto your Google Doc or Word document, then you can switch roles. Okay, thank you.